I think this has already become the best room we've been till now. Zillion times better than a hotel room. Hey guys, this is Naina here and welcome back to my channel. So today we are at the small town in Italy called Sarzana, and this is probably going to be the next place where we will be spending a few days. We are here at 7:30 p.m. Yes, this is night time basically here. We expect sunset here at around 8:30 to 9, and it's something that we have gotten used to by now. And if you have watched my other vlog videos, you would have known that by now. So if you haven't watched it yet, go ahead. I will put the link in the description box below. You had better check it all out before you continue with this. So now let's get to our Airbnb place and let's go see how this place is. So we just got into our Airbnb at Sarzana, and I am so much in love with this place because the room is so damn pretty. I think this has already become the best room we've been till now. I don't think we've booked anything so pretty. There's a cat! Yay! Earlier there was a dog and now there is a cat, and I am just so thrilled about it. So her name is Micha. She just comes into our room anytime. She just roams around, smells our bags. So this is the skyline of Sarzana. It is a very small town, but it looks lovely. Morning guys. We just spent our first night at Sarzana, and like I showed you guys yesterday night, this house, this place is beautiful. And Micha has spent the night with us on our bed. He was sleeping on top of our legs. We will pour the coffee and make the coffee. Okay.
You sound French, not Italian.
Host Daniela is a very sweet lady, and I'm sorry that I couldn't introduce you guys to her because she leaves for work early morning and she'll be back quite late. She's really sweet because she's left us a huge load of breakfast, from biscuits and cookies and milk and cereal to bread, butter, jam, Nutella, and she's even baked a really yummy cake for us, and I have a good feeling that we are probably going to finish it off before we leave from here. She's such an adorable, cute little, not little, she's quite big, but quite lacy. Now let me give you a tour of the non-private areas of this lovely house. I love how this place looks so homely and personal. And look at that lazy bum. Now that's a proper dollhouse. Don't think I've ever seen one of those in this size. Now to the balcony. Here Daniela grows a lot of greenery. The table is loaded with breakfast items. The kitchen counter is not large but sufficient enough. And there's so many fridge magnets. The entryway has a lot of decor on both the sides. And now to the bathroom. At the end of this hallway is the closet. That's my dream home, people. The right amount of cozy, neatness and personalization. Hey guys, we are leaving from here in the afternoon with a heavy heart that I'm leaving this house because I am so truly in love with this place, and I really think this is definitely my dream home. I will definitely want a house like this, and I would definitely want a fat furry cat like Micha because she's so cute, and I will miss her, I will miss Daniela, and I'll miss this whole house. And I hope to come here sometime in the future and stay here again. And if any of you are planning to come to this side of the country, definitely make sure that you stay here and see how beautiful this place is. And I will definitely leave a link to this place in the description box for you to do just that. The journey has to continue, so we are moving on. So if you enjoyed seeing my dream home in Sarzana, make sure that you hit that like button and also subscribe to my channel for similar videos. So I will see you again next time at another place. So till then, bye-bye.